How embarrassing. To accuse someone of putting out misinformation just to be proven wrong and you doubled down like, oh, I don't know, Reaper. Now let's show everyone how you falsely accuse someone. Jump to conclusions without first checking verified information for yourself. It should make others wonder how many times this has been done. To be shown official court documents, historical marriage and public records, including 1993 and 2004. Court documents, old phone numbers, and residential addresses redacted for privacy, and still actively manipulate facts to maintain an idealized, perfect image of themselves to the public. What? A narcissistic defense? I began side-eyeing your ethics when you put out an unredacted police report on a public Discord that included a domestic violence victim and survivor. That's not just an oops. But back to the issue at hand, you spreading misinformation and lying about me. Public records check. Here we go. Here is Tara in 1993 at Richmond Hill High School in Richmond Hill, Georgia in Bryan County. Go Wildcats! Here is the victim she persuaded to run away with her infant, who attended the same school. How was she charged with contributing the delinquency of a minor? Because Tara was a whole-ass adult in 9th grade. Anywho, on April 12, 1993, a warrant was issued for Tara Beth Miller and her soon-to-be husband for the specified charges. In accordance with that warrant, as well as dozens of other 1993 public records, identifying Richmond Hill as the historical residence for both parties who committed the crime. The exact lot number has been redacted, and it is not a current residence, obviously, but it's where she convinced the victim to come and hide with her infant. The girl's dad pressed charges after finding her missing and dozens of notes exchanged during the school year, along with friends who witnessed Tara encouraging the girl to run away. So we have matching warrants and historical addresses in 1993 of both Reaper and her then soon-to-be hubby. And you literally want to say fuck all and compare a signature. Well, let's do that.
Big advocate. Researching. Research. I don't care how solid your source is. Research. I tell people all the time when I show documents, if you don't believe me, research for yourself.
So why did you think a signature comparison was a good idea here? Unless you're a forensic document examiner, comparing signatures over the verification of court records is absurd. But in this case, even if you're not, those look pretty consistent over the span of 30 years. But whatever, who cares? The same school was attended by both the victim and defendant. The same defendant who only attended and completed the 9th grade. The same grade completed on the application for appointment of counsel. The same application where she gave the correct date of birth. Who cares that Reaper and the other defendant she was married to were arrested on the same date? Who cares that Reaper and the second defendant maintained the same historical address in 1993? So, the historically established timeline, still not enough. That's fine, I have more. After marrying Mr. Kendrick, she took off with her parents back to Kentucky saying fuck the warrant, slept with a married man, later turned murderer, then off to Romania where she met her soon-to-be man-child. Back to the States, Gainesville, Florida specifically, where she filed for divorce from Mr. Kendrick. Here, ya go, you ill-informed, unconfirmed, egotistical moron. You said you have eyes that you can read. Well, can you read the middle name right there for the internet? Here, I'll do it for you. Tara Beth. Tara Beth. Tara Beth. Hold on a minute. Right there in the yellow, her mother filing on her behalf. Tara Beth. So incorrect. Shit. Tara Beth. Her middle name is not Marie. You're wrong. Inaccurate. And not only are you spreading misinformation, you lied about me. Check your shit before you speak on someone.
S is for Shannon and that ego. Accuse me so loudly, oops, there she goes. H is for hypocrisy, practiced every day. But sorry, I was wrong, she just can't seem to say. I is for I'm right, can't admit I'm wrong. So everybody join in Shannon's self-awareness song. Z is for zero, apologies coming my way. Guess accountability call, she sent it away. Z is for Z, like the sound when the facts come through. And suddenly there's not much left for you to do. I is for I'm right, can't admit I'm wrong. So everybody join in Shannon's self-awareness song. Spell it nice and slow, S-H-I-Z-Z. Now everybody knows. Shizzity, shiz, being so certain is fun till you miss. I is for I'm right, can't admit I'm wrong. So everybody join in Shannon's self-awareness song. Spell it nice and slow, S-H-I-Z-Z. Now everybody knows. Shizzity, shiz, being so certain is fun till you S-H-I-Z-Z.